Hi, it's Karen. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am doing an unboxing of my Young Living order. Whenever I get my package in the mail, it's like Christmas in whatever month it is. I get so excited. So I'm going to quickly just go through the box and show you what I got. All right, so they come in these kind of tubes, and this is a big tube, and I have an idea what it is. This is, yes, Sleep Essence. So this is Sleep Essence, and it's these are an essential oil supplement, and Sleep Essence, it helps you sleep. It promotes sleep, restful sleep, and it's formulated with lavender, melatonin, and vetiver. So yes, I don't always need it, but when I do, this is great. Great. Okay, and I got a Thieves Dentarum Ultra toothpaste. There is so much stuff in the regular store-bought toothpaste that is just not good for us. They contain some toxins that are not good, not health promoting at all. So it's really important for us to be aware and to be proactive and take charge and responsibility for our health and well-being. And so yes, I get my toothpaste from Young Living. I know that it's good for me, and it's infused with essential oils, and it's health promoting, health boosting. Excellent. And it tastes good. Great for your teeth. So here's another tube with some oils. So this is Eucalyptus radiata. This I got for free from Young Living because I reached a PV point value that afforded me to get some gifts, and I love free. I love free 99. Send it to me. So this is Eucalyptus radiata. So this supports your lung health, respiratory health. Love that. Love free. Lavender. I get lavender almost every month because I use it so much. We go through it in my family. We use it at bedtime. It's such a wonderful aroma and scent. Lemongrass. Love lemongrass. And this is the Lemongrass Vitality. This one is labeled for internal use. I would not suggest to take into your body any other essential oil. I trust Young Living because of the seed to seal guarantee that everything that I find that comes to me is 100% therapeutic grade pure essential oil. What else do I have? I'm telling you, I'm so excited. Get so excited for my my Essential Rewards orders. Whoops. All right, so I have a few of them here. Lime. I got this one for free too. Go me. Yes. So this is Lime Vitality. It's labeled with a white label, which tells me that I can ingest it. I can use it in my water, which I do. I can use it when I'm cooking. Here is bergamot. Bergamot is also yummy, delicious in water. Yes. Bergamot is also in the citrus family. This is Copaiba. This is also labeled for ingestion with the white labels, Copaiba Vitality. Copaiba is an enhancer. So whatever you put it with, it enhances what the qualities of the oil. I use this at nighttime with lavender and cedarwood. That helps with sleep a lot. And this is RC. RC helps with respiratory support as well. All right, I have some more. This is amazing. I love this, love this, love this. I just mentioned cedarwood. Here we go. This is cedarwood. This is very good. Excellent to diffuse and to use topically on your skin. Supports sleep. This with lavender and copaiba. Awesome, awesome. Lemon is a really bright smell scent. I diffuse this a lot of times in the morning at work. I use the Vitality lemon in my water as well. I love lemon. It's so bright. Such a bright, refreshing kind of scent. And this is Release. I like to use this at night. I put it on the bottom of my feet, my sole of my feet, and I'll say, I release the day as I get ready for bed. And I love how it smells. It reminds me of joy. It has a ylang-ylang in it and a lot of wonderful, ylang-ylang, lavender, geranium, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, grapefruit, tangerine, spearmint, lemon, blue cypress, acacia. It's amazing. I love chamomile and blue tansy and rose. It smells so good. Release, release. So I use that in the evening as well. What else do I have? And I have Peace and Calming. This I got for free. Peace and Calming. This does exactly what the title says. Peace and Calming. It has such a wonderful aroma and smell, and it gives you a sense of peace, and it's calming. It's good for the kiddos who need to calm down, especially in the evening when it's time to settle down and relax. That's awesome to put on the soles of the feet and to diffuse. Peace and Calming. I ordered something that I don't usually order, but I wanted to give it a try. There is the Seedlings line in Young Living, and it contains products that are good for baby. So I ordered wipes. I use wipes, and so I decided to order three packs of Seedlings wipes for myself and my family. I have 2 girls, and so I'm looking forward to using the wipes and trying it out. I have some people that are pregnant and having babies, and I'm sure would love, we'll be using wipes definitely, but it's wonderful to have options, of using products that we are confident will not harm our babies or ourselves. Oh my goodness, I love that smell. That's amazing. It smells so good. So good. There has to be some kind of like lavender in there. That smells amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So yeah, there's bergamot. There's ylang-ylang. There's coriander, lavender, marigold. Yes. So that's beautiful. Perfect. So I'm going to try the wipes. I'm sure I'll love that. And I also get, with every delivery, the Essential Edge. And this is like the newsletter that you get every month that talks about what's happening in the company. The convention is coming up. It gives us messages from the leaders. There's recognition of different people doing well in the business. Talk about different products and recipes. So I'll be reading this soon. And yeah, so I really, last video I talked about after Mother's Day and how it's so important for us to take care of ourselves, engage in self-care activities on a daily basis. And this is part of how I do it for myself. I use my essential oils on a daily basis, every day. And I know that It is health boosting, and it is good for my body. It's good for myself and for my family. And so I encourage you, look into Young Living. I can help you with that. Please ask me any questions. If you want to start out on your journey with essential oils, I can definitely help you with that. The thing you would need to do is to get a premium starter kit, which are, by the way, on sale for the holiday, 10% off. So the kit that comes with a diffuser and 11 oils and samples and a literature and different things is on sale for $119 instead of $160. I love a deal. I know you do too. So let me know how I can help you do that, so we can support ourselves so that we can help our loved ones. All right? Thank you so much again for joining me, and I will be back next week with some more interesting stuff. Tell me if there are any topics that you would want me to explore and to talk about that might be of interest or of help to you. I really want to bring value to you in your life, in your family, in your loved ones' lives. So let me know what I can help you with, what I can share, what topics you're interested in, so that we can delve into those together. Thanks again for joining me. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.